Hi friends, I am Tilak and you're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we are going to see how to add or insert videos on Google Docs PC. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video.
So how to insert a video on Google Docs? You just click on your drive first and upload the video that you want to show on your document. So first upload the video here. So after uploading the video, you can only provide a link. There is no option to upload the video directly. So first upload the video on your Google Drive. So use a extra mail ID or create a private mail ID for this. After uploading the video, you can click on the manage the access option here. Just you want to provide the option for anyone can view this video by creating the link. Just copy the link here. After copying link, go to the document here. Just upload the link like this. For example, you can upload just paste the link and click on the insert option and click on the link. It will be automatically changes to the link. If you click, the video will be played. Or else another option, just go to the image and upload an image from your PC. You can upload the thumbnail image for this. After uploading, you just can provide the link that can be inserted into the image. For an example, just clicking here, you can see provide the link here. If you click on the thumbnail or the video image, it automatically goes to the Google Drive and the video will be played now. So this is the one thing that you can, but it can't be played on the offline. It only can play on the if the internet is on. So this is the only solution that you can insert a video on your Google Docs document. So there is no other option to insert a video on Google Docs document. There is no option to insert a video. You can insert the video by using this method. So if I just downloaded the document here, I just open as PDF. You can see now I just clicking the video image. It's automatically open to the video on my Google Drive. So this is the thing that you can do. By this method, you can insert a video on your Google Docs document. I think it's clear.
Friends, if you find this video informative, like this video, share this video with your friends. If you want more content about Google Docs PC, and if you want to learn something new, just follow this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.